This is my little Christmas project. So I got this longer LK1, they call it. Picked this up sort of May, June time this year, and couldn't resist buggering about with it. So what I've done is I've installed a buck converter, given it a Raspberry Pi with Octoprint installed on it. Yes, those I had to bring in from the greenhouse this year, those weren't going to survive very long. And what I've basically done here is I've installed a CR touch instead of a BL touch, which is basically a little probe there, just to see what the difference was. And I got to be honest, the CR touch is a little bit quieter. Yeah, I'd say the performance is about the same. I was a bit surprised at that. Good. So what we're doing at the moment is we're printing the lid for the case that I'm upgrading to, because it comes with a whopping great house brick. I didn't quite like that. It's about the size of a loaf of bread. Okay, I haven't got a banana for scale, so I've upgraded the screen, and I've also gone to an Big Tree Tech SKR E3 Mini version 3. Yes. 3D printed a back pane to keep it sort of safe, but it's not its safest form right now, so ignore that. Also got rid of this plastic piping crap that Alpha Wise and Longer Tech use on theirs. Rubbish. And as you can see, the motors were a lot quieter and a very nice first layer. So as far as casing is concerned, what I've been working on is this, and I did pinch some of the designs from Thingiverse. So we got the switch off relay on the top right hand side there, and we've also got another Big Tree Tech I'm mocking up in there. I'm going to use some GX16 plugs and sockets in the back of this. Got some ventilation going on there. Looking at playing around with some fans as well, a bit of fanage. And on the front we got connectivity there and there. So that's what I've been doing. Machines making machines again. He just purrs away like a little kitten. But then listen to him all day. Oh yeah, I might put webcam on as well. But yeah, 300 by 300 by 400 build volume. Very impressed with this.